All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. Let's see, it is April 26th, and in a way, it kind of feels like sell in May and go away is starting to arrive. Now, we've already had 2 days worth of fairly big moves to the downside. I think we're getting a little bit oversold in this area, so we should get a bit of a bounce. Now, interestingly, the whole sell in May and go away thing might also line up with the FOMC meeting that we have next week. So do keep that in mind. It's probably going to be some crazy volatility in what's going on there. But then also remember that the put-call ratio is pretty low. So that means that typically marks the high of a market cycle. So I do think we're going to start cycling back down. But I think there's going to be a little bit of balance before we come back down. Part of the reason why I'm looking at that is with the UVXY, we are starting to see some building, some constructiveness here. The Moxie price trigger has fired. We have been seeing some positive divergence. We do have price over the hourly 50. So this is starting to wake up. All right. So I think that there's going to be some more downside moves, but we have to get it right. So hopefully you guys tune in and log in, and we'll guide you through it with the Moxie indicator. All right, thanks again. Catch you later. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.